queen in a source of bread. Anti-footer did that tell himself he loud.
What the hell did you just say?
Bomba clat. Yo, the man I've chop kick. Yo, that was your nice, brother. That was your nice. Yo, me now waste no time, no bomba clat time. What is up, JAMAICA'S giving here with another reaction? No time. Khago just dropped a song like 13 minutes ago. Me just refresh my YouTube and see it. Boom, clat. Swamp Rat. Khago, Swamp Rat. I-Octane this. Me now waste no time. What me say? No time. Let's go.
Smooth like this. And boy, them love clipping.
Alright, old school rhythm again. Alright.
Smooth like this. And boy, them love clipping. People them say them tired of this song where go fishing. Yeah. Massy fisherman them da. Dealer. All of me guns them I use up now. Any rascal love clippings I fit dead right now. I splice.
So it might address the voice note that my acting have been playing with the clips that man and them things. So it must say, yo, any rascal you love use clipping.
Guns them at Massy fisherman them da. Dealer. All of me guns them I use up now. Any rascal love clippings I fit dead right now. I splice up man vice show catty say yo bow.
So splice up go on another thing there. Splicing up go on in the voice note. That the GSA, you know, slice to go on in the thing there, which I did in the last I-Octane song when he dropped the voice note, where I can't remember exactly what it was, but the end of that, me can tell that was spliced. That part that was spliced, at the end of it, just the end of it was spliced. But me can't remember exactly what Khago was supposed to have said. Something about the man in a prison where my talk about look beautiful or something like that. I thought that part was spliced. So maybe that's what Khago is talking about. With that again, let's go anyway.
Dealer. All of me guns them I use up now. Any rascal love clippings I fit dead right now. I splice up man vice show catty say yo bow. Sky God no clean house a Francine job that yo.
Sky God no clean us. Sky God not clean us. When I say my body don't tell you know. They must be dreaming. Oh man, remember say father don't tell us a gangster not clean.
I show catty say yo bow. Sky God no clean house a Francine job that yo. Heavy banger, where you say you know. Say frack tailor wash girl jazz and I wear girl clothes in a foreign.
Man say Khago, man say acting a wash girl jazz and a rear girl clothes in a foreign. Remember say, left that part there, let's go.
Tailor wash girl jazz and I wear girl clothes in a foreign. You bad man now we in a go fishing thing and now ask how I do it.
Let me just comment Khago on this. Clarity up, clarity peak, bro. Clarity peak. Even though it's an old school rhythm, your quality peak, my fam. Big up.
Girl jazz and I wear girl clothes in a foreign. You bad man now we in a go fishing thing and now ask how I do it. Now what kind of boy want see man in a frack? You know see say something do it. Them boy they a swamp rat barracuda gunshot the fly shower.
Man say my swamp rat barracuda. I be things that I don't want that name I call another clash at the bomb.
Kind of boy want see man in a frack? You know see say something do it. Them boy they a swamp rat barracuda gunshot the fly shower. Yeah. You should have they say general. Welcome to your funeral. And you sell out your friend them every day boy to the federal.
You shouldn't this the general. Welcome to your funeral. Remember, see, I used to sell out the man them ready to the federal, you know. So boom, buckler. Now things are gonna talk. Flow change. Things are gonna talk. Let's go. Alright then.
You should have they say general. Welcome to your funeral. And you sell out your friend them every day boy to the federal. Me know the boy no liar cause him thinking like what trial. Bang bang.
know the boy I like because him sinking like pro trial. Yeah, must say pro trial is sink from them time till now.
Bang! You should have they say general. Welcome to your funeral. And you sell out your friend them every day boy to the federal. Me know the boy no liar cause him sinking like pro trial. The bang 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 a bang a bang bang bang. No frack tail leather slamming at the front of a van.
Oh, lad. Yo, when I hear the bang bang baga baga. Yo, on the Khago, on the fucking Khago, dog.
The boy to the federal. Me know the boy no liar cause him sinking like pro trial. The bang 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 a bang a bang bang bang. No frack tail leather slamming at the front of a van. Crucifixion time me a telling you. Not even 10 past a man can't save no.
Crucifixion time. So Khago say, yo, me ready now. Crucifixion time. Not even pastor man. Not even your pastor man can. That him say.
Time me a telling you. Not even 10 pastor man.
Oh, not even 10 pastor man can save you. The reason why I thought they said your pastor man because remember say Khago they done say from long time say acting a pastor man. I blood him up and be things. I make him pussy bleed that. One girl that.
Crucifixion time me a telling you.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Even 10 pastor man can't save no. Must check a pussy man come here so fi buy. Marrow a fi fly. Me say boy you fi die. Marrow fly sky high.
You think say a pussy man come here so fi buy? Marrow a fi fly boy you fi die.
Fi buy. Marrow a fi fly. Me say boy you fi die. Marrow fly sky high. Why must you check a yapping? Come here with the chatting. With your pussy mouth when me guns them clapping. A rifle turn on all country locked down. Parliament a fi freeze like say a God come.
Yo, the man say when rifle turn on, brother, everything in that country locked down, brother. Our parliament have to freeze. You know it's a state of emergency. Emergency have to go on, brother. The whole state locked down, brother. Everything done when them rifle turn on, brother. That the boss. Yo, that gun the big no bumper clock.
Come here with the chatting, with your pussy mouth when me guns them clapping. A rifle turn on all country locked down. Parliament a fi freeze like say a God come. You're the bang of them chrome gun no fire chewing gum. Bust me gun them when me buy, at the war me glorify. Coulda fly go to Dubai, gun him down out of the sky. Why?
Bumper clock. Get the flow change again. Khago get a flow on already, man. Be a flow.
Clapping, a rifle turn on all country locked down. Parliament a fi freeze like say a God come. You're the bang of them chrome gun no fire chewing gum. Bust me gun them when me buy, at the war me glorify. Coulda fly go to Dubai.
Bust the gun them when me buy. My God, got the buy.
Chewing gum, bust me gun them when me buy, at the war me glorify.
Bust the gun them when me buy. At the war me glorify. You could have fly go Dubai.
Them chrome gun no fire chewing gum. Bust me gun them when me buy, at the war me glorify. Coulda fly go to Dubai, gun him down out of the sky. Why you da bleed like a period blood? Yet
Bumbo clot. Boy is a bleed like a period blood. And if you have a gun we can shoot from on the ground and I shoot up plane with a sky in the brother. I rush that there in a dog. I rush that.
chrome gun no fire chewing gum. Bust me gun them when me buy, at the war me glorify. Coulda fly go to Dubai, gun him down out of the sky. Why you da bleed like a period blood? You tell them say a badness me love. Sky God make them can't get no beauty slave. Fuck face up all night I look at things fit turn.
The man say, yo, since the warrior start, Khago acting can't get no beauty sleep. Him up all night at the what?
Got period blood. You tell them say a badness me love. Sky God make them can't get no beauty slave. Fuck face up all night I look at things fit turn. Him and right.
Basically, fuck face up all night I look. Sorry for calling fuck face, my G. I'm just repeating what Khago said. The man said fuck face up all night. I look things basically. I look things for splice up and thing as usual. That's what Khago said, not me.
Red blood. You tell them say a badness me love. Sky God make them can't get no beauty slave. Fuck face up all night I look at things fit turn. Him and riding queen in a sauce of bread. Anti-footer did that tell himself he loud.
Bumbo clot. Yo, the man I've chop kick. Yo, that was nice, brother. That was nice. The man said, a man ragging up all night in a so brief. Oh, the bumbo clot Khago dealing, brother. The man said, Iman Raggy King up all night in a source of brief. Anti-footer, something more anti-footer, footer him attack. Think of myself, footer. I never me call you so.
Bad blood, you tell them say a badness me lie. Sky God make them can't get no beauty slave. Fuck face up all night, I look at things fit turn. Him a riding queen in a source of bread.
Oh, ragging queen him say, I'm a king. Oh, fuck. Ragging queen. Bumbo club. Yo.
Badness me love. Sky God make them can't get no beauty slave. Fuck face up all night, I look at things fit turn. Him a riding queen in a source of bread. Anti-footer did I tell him say feel loud. Dog I know me say it. I from a nurse me yeah. Sexy and check-in last week. Him a riding queen in a source of bread. Anti-footer did I tell him say feel loud. Dog I know me say it. I from a nurse me yeah. Sexy and check-in last week. If you do a pop smear. Nobody with the jet and a spear. Could I in a wheelchair? You are dead in the square.
Could I in a wheelchair? Dead in the square. So you know say Ragging King in a wheelchair. So I must say, yo, not even you are get spear boy. You see me?
Body with the jet and a spear. Could I in a wheelchair? You are dead in the square.
Alright. The reason why him at this Ragging King so much. Ragging King be have a song say. I love throw word in a song and a chat with them now though. Some little artist boy when me know say firms up like Khago. Basically I say some little artist boy flap out like Khago. So that's why Khago take that shit personal, bro. If Khago don't let go that shit. That's why. I actually find back the song the other day. Yeah, with Ragging King. I say, yo, them love throw word in a song and a chat with them now though. Some little artist boy when me know say basically must say firms up like Khago. When me hold them a drama, yeah, so the song goes.
The jet and a spear, could I in a wheelchair? You are dead in the square. You know wash girl clothes and I wear girl jazz in a foreign. You know see the boy just a ride the mouth of box, I what to wear. Yeah, you with my wash girl jazz and I wear girl clothes in a foreign. Rise up any rifle and gun that I never see. Khago, bang, bang, bang.
Buckler. Bang, bang, bang. Yo, people, the war is in full effect, you know, brother. The war is in full fucking effect, dog. Like, Khago now ease up, acting now ease up. Me like this, bro. Me like this, you fuck. That one is a solid one. That one, this song here is a solid one. Solid one. Me now go around it. Acting, rough badness solid. This solid too. No joke. No joke. Yo. Right now. Me glad say I'm not one that's picking side. I'm straight down the middle. You understand me? I said I'm straight on the middle. I'm attack it as it is. Me just tell you for the fun, the love of music. That is why I'm here. I'm not here to disrespect anybody or pick no side with no artist. Cause I don't get paid for that shit. I don't get paid for cook up artist beef. I know my thing that. So we just there to enjoy the music and laugh. Yo. Anyway, guys, this is how I'm gonna leave the one, God. If you enjoy the one and want to see more, remember to subscribe to the channel, yo. Leave a like on the video before you fucking watch it. Alright. See you next time, yo. I'm dead laugh, brother. I see you. Peace.